Class Plant, Daniela Alejandra Coral Jiménez, Faculty of Education, Caribbean University Corporation, SECAR. Didactics of the English Language, La de Joana Gómez, September 24, 2021. Introduction. The English language is in charge of perceiving and developing professional students with a broad profile who shape tasks, objectives, and methods they act in a guaranteed way, achieving convergence, chilling to promote choice with society, developing a lesson plan is teaching in a novel way so that they follow an objectives which is to be based on a domain system that introduce a potential development that can be transmitted to various shift processes. This video was made with comments in order a class and be able to teach with judgment and leadership. I hope to meet the expectation of the course to become a committed and responsible teacher. The topics to be developed are 1. Noun. It is a word that is used to name, time, or elements. Example, the house is old. 2. Adjectives. Kind of word that accompanies the noun express a quality. Example, the yellow ball. 3. Adverbs. Word that modifies verb, indication, place, time, quantity, and statement. 4. Verbs are those words that express action. Example, come on, day, way. Class format. A lesson plan is a document that indicates everything you should do in class is on activity planning to it should be flexible and have a focus to build critical banks to evaluation methods and activities. Some of its characteristics are 1. Help organize. 2. Generate resources and tools. 3. Facilitates the construction participation. 4. Help in preparing to teach. 5. Changes can be made. 6. Select one of several topics. 7. Creative methodologies. 8. Clear and committed objectives. 9. Define purposes. 10. Investigated. In my 6th grade classroom, we are going to look at topics of great importance, such as noun, adjectives, adverbs, and verbs. For this, we will need 4 classes with an intensity of 8 hours. We will work individually as well as collaborative work. The object is to set goals that reflect and feature of strategies that which is possible, be creating mission and vision To innovate and create productivity in the education of our children. For this is important to recreate values knowledge. As a result, it is expected that the student is able to understand the subject studied and formative. Methodology. Reading the story The Seraphim Funny. Underline the nouns in red, verbs in green, adjective in blue, and adverb in yellow. From their with each, create a sentence. Two. Complete the sentence with the studied words as appropriate. Do not forget to have coherence to that each one of them make sense. 3. From the video below, make a list of the words studied that I managed to recognize from there with each one of the he makes an alphabet soup. Record an audio between calling in the form of a conversation to later attach in your teacher's email. I share my email, deliver your activity on time, and remember that punctuality speaks high of you. Conclusion. The intention of the above is the teaching of fundamental didactics having as wonderful human beings who bring reality to education that is why it is easy to train, seeing diversity from situation they make a history tragic.